Does your laundry pile feel like a mountain you're never gonna conquer? Yeah, same. Welcome back to Home Reimagined. I'm Jacqueline. And today I'm sharing some of my favorite laundry hacks that actually make things faster, easier, and dare I say, kind of fun. So let's dive on in. Let's kick it off with a simple shift. Sort by where it's going, not by what it is. So instead of doing a whites load and a colors load, try this. One load for socks and underwear, one load for items that hang, one for things that go in drawers, and when it's time to put things away, bam, you're all done. No more running from room to room or thinking about where everything goes. Left a load in the washer overnight? You're not alone. Here's how to fix it. Run a quick rinse cycle with 1/2 cup of vinegar. This will kill that funky smell really fast, and just don't let it sit for more than a day, or you're gonna have to start all over. Here's a game changer. Keep hangers right in your laundry area. When clothes come out of the dryer, hang them right then and there. It saves you from wrinkles or piles and the dreaded basket of clean clothes that lives on the floor for a week. Then just carry the hangers directly to your closet, put them away, and you're done. This one's tough love. Laundry isn't done until it's put away. The golden rule is simple. Wash, dry, and put away. If you stop at step 2, that pile will keep haunting you. So just finish the job. You'll feel so much better once it's done. Okay, ready for my favorite mental hack? Pretend your dryer charges rent for every minute that your clothes sit inside. When that buzzer goes off, evict them. It keeps things moving and prevents the whole rewash because it's wrinkled cycle. Laundry doesn't have to take over your entire life. Try these hacks, see what works for you, and let me know your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagine for more real-life home tips, organizing, and cleaning. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.